Welcome back to our channel, Living in Sioux Falls. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and like this video if it's helpful. And today we're going to tackle a big topic for us, and that is debunking real estate myths in Sioux Falls. So we're going to tackle the Sioux Falls market, kind of give you the information that you need to know. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, navigating the real estate market can be a little tricky, especially with all of the information that's out there. But today, we are going to debunk some of the greatest myths out there and set you straight on our Sioux Falls real estate market. So myth number one is that Sioux Falls does not have a competitive real estate market, and that is absolutely not true. While Sioux Falls is a little bit smaller than some bigger metro areas, it still packs a big punch when you're talking about the real estate market and what it brings. And so the biggest driving force to this is supply and demand. And we still are seeing very low supply in our market as of 2024. And so that demand is still driving things and really making that market a competitive market here in Sioux Falls. As of last year, Sioux Falls has seen nearly a 10% increase in the average home price. So we're still seeing that appreciation happen at a faster rate than is typical. Typically in Sioux Falls, we see around 3 to 6% appreciation on average. But the local and the most recent stats here locally are showing that our market is still very competitive and it's still growing in demand while inventory remains low. Myth number two is that you need a perfect credit score in order to buy a home in Sioux Falls, and that is not true. While a better credit score can help you secure a better interest rate as well and can make the home buying process easier, there are plenty of loan options that are for people with a less than perfect credit score. And in fact, the average credit score of a home buyer in Sioux Falls is right around 680, which is slightly lower than the national average. So it just goes to show that home buying is more achievable in Sioux Falls than in other places in our country. Myth number three is that you need to put 20% down in order to buy a home. And again, that is false. You don't need to put 20% down, although if you do put 20% down, it will help you avoid paying private mortgage insurance on your loan, but it's not a necessity. Most loans require 3% to 5% down in order to purchase your home. And there's some programs that are available that can be as little as 0% down, whether it's a VA loan if you are eligible for that, and some other first-time homebuyer loans as well. So you do not need 20% down, although the more you put down, the better for you. But on average, it's about 3 to 5% down in order to buy a home here in Sioux Falls. Myth number four is that you should wait for prices to drop before you purchase your home. And again, that's not necessarily true, although getting a lower price is great, but statistically on average, we have seen home values increase in Sioux Falls by 3 to 5% each and every year. Even in some down markets that were nationally down real estate markets, Sioux Falls held fast and held strong and didn't see the dip that other places saw. So instead of trying to time the market absolutely perfectly, which is honestly impossible, look for those little pockets and windows where you can negotiate maybe a little bit in price, but better terms as well. And sometimes that is weather related, interest rate related, or some of those other factors that buyers are put on the sidelines, and you can take an opportunity to negotiate a little more with the seller of the home that you're interested in. Myth number five is that you don't need a real estate agent in Sioux Falls, and that is absolutely not true. Having a real estate agent in Sioux Falls will help you navigate a complex real estate market to ensure that you get the best possible deal. And an agent plays a crucial role for buyers, helping them find their dream home and negotiating the best deal with their seller. And they help sellers in regards to maximizing the value of their home and getting the most potential buyers through the door. And so whether you're buying or selling, having a local real estate agent help you understand the market, navigate through it, work through the process, and making the best possible financial decisions is always a good idea. Did you know that last year alone, over 95% of home buyers chose to work with a real estate agent here in Sioux Falls? So there you have it. That's a wrap on some common misconceptions about our real estate market in Sioux Falls. So hopefully that helps shed some light on some things that maybe you had questions on, and really gives you confidence to navigate through the real estate market with more ease. And again, if this video was helpful to you, make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel, as we're going to continue to release more videos talking about living in Sioux Falls and all things real estate.